Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your general knowledge class. Dear students, how was your paper? General knowledge paper. It was really easy, right? Hope you'll have enjoyed while writing the paper. And it was quite difficult because I have given you the state that address coding and you have to match them, right? The picture is not clear, something that all there, right? It's okay, but you can see it. It's visible to you, right? Yes. And what all the topics we discussed? In first topic, we discussed fine dining. Fine dining alli navu en madidvi, we all have seen different varieties of dishes, veg, non-veg, fruits, vegetables, everything mixed up we have seen. Okay. And in second topic, visual round is totally, that is state, palace, dance form, sports and monument, which you have seen. Visual round it is. Okay. So next topic you have is, which is that third topic is the big bad wolf. Which is the topic? The big bad wolf. In animals or in birds, you can see there are similar types. Similar types andre eno? Onde tara. Might be color changes, slightly difference in colors will be there, but faces, everything will be same type. Fox, wolf, dog are same category, which belongs to the same thing. They look like similar only, alva? So, but there might be different colors. Not colors means not red, black, white, pink, yellow. Foxes will never be in such type of colors also. Even dogs also. Dogs will be there in white color, brownish color, and you can see dogs in a white with black spots. Yes, different types. Whereas if you come to see monkeys, we see langurs and monkeys, right? They look like same but different colors. By different colors we keep them different names. We call them as different. Okay. Today we are going to see the topic that is the big bad wolf. Okay. Even in birds also there will be similar types only. But different names will be there. Different yake irutte. Their colors will be different, or if one bird beak is small, other bird beak will be quite big. Woodpecker and kingfisher are how? Different, right? Sparrow, gubbachi will tell. So they all are small birds. We call them as sparrow. But that is not sparrow. That might see there, that will be different from sparrow. That will have another name only. But that we will not be knowing them. When you come to this tiger, cheetah, leopard, how they will be? Will they stand like us? No. They are different in colors. Okay. Even they walk like this only, keeping their front hands and back legs. They walk like dog only. They can't walk like us. Tiger, if it starts walking like this, what you will do? You will faint and fall off. Faint ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಮೂರ್ಛೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿಂಹ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತು ಹಾಯ್, if he tells like, if he speaks, what will happen? Really, I'm telling you, you will really faint off. Okay. So there are, you can see, lion is different because lion has such a big hairs, and the structure of the face is different from lion, a tiger, leopard and cheetah. So today I will be telling you about the big bad wolf. Okay. Wolves belong to the dog family. How? Wolves belongs to dog family, it seems. Dog, how the dog is? Same type, wolf is also. So it belongs to wolf. It belongs to dog family. Okay. The most common type of wolf is the grey wolf, which has grey and brown fur with a long bushy tail. See, the most common type of wolf is there in grey color wolf, which has grey and brown fur. Fur means the hair which there on the body. So almost all the wolves will be like this. Okay. So you can see them. So how they are in grey color with brown fur. Fur means the hair which is grown on the body. That is called fur. With a long bushy tail. You can, if you see, the wolf tail will be long and bushy, like fur will be covered. I will drop the picture of Bala. Twin. Okay. Tin. See. This is the Bala. This is wolf here. Okay. This is the Bala of the wolf, tail of the wolf, you think. Okay. See, this is how. Don't laugh by saying this. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, fur means the hair which is covered on the body. Okay, that is, it is called what? This is bush. Iga, when you go and see this puppy, small kuti puppy with so many hairs, how the tail will be? So big with bushy hairs. So same type the wolf hair is also. Okay. Don't laugh and don't see what do you say. My ma'am has told me that this is how this wolf is. This is not wolf. Okay, it looks like something like snail or something, right? I'm just telling you the tail, that's it. Okay. If you all have smartphones now, after finishing of this class, what you all have to do is go to the Google and images of wolf you put. You type images of wolf, you get number of wolves there. You can see the whole wolf, how it looks like. Okay. Yes. They have long snouts and pointed ears on top of their heads. How is it here? It has long snout means big nose. Long nose it has, and our ears are here like this. Here, this side. Whereas wolf ears will be like this here. I'll just show you. See, for human being, you have ears here. Okay, am I right? Oh, this is here, this is our ears side we have, whereas for wolf you will be having here like this, ting ting. It is funny, right? Okay, see, you can see here. See, can you see this? Yes, it has here on the top of the head. They have long snouts and pointed ears on the top of their heads. So, long nose and ears on the top of their head will be there. Wolves can be found all over the world. Wolves, you can see them all over the world. Not only in India, you can see them throughout all the world. But they are most commonly found in the United States, Canada and Arctic Russia. So, ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಾವು we can see them in United States and Canada and Arctic Russia. In these three places you can see them most. Okay, so where you can see them, you can find out wolf in all around the world. Most commonly you can see them in United States, Canada and Arctic Russia. Wolves are carnivorous. They mainly eat meat. See, some type in animals, dear students, you can see carnivorous, herbivorous, omnivorous. Some eat only meat, flesh. Some eats only plants, like how cow eats only plants. Okay. So, there are different types of categories in animals also. In that, wolf is carnivorous. They eat only meat. What they eat? Only meat. They prefer only non-veg, flesh. Okay. Wolves can run fast and don't get tired very easily. Wolves, which is the fastest bird which runs fast? Which is the bird which runs very fast? That is ostrich. It runs very fast. Okay, in bird. Whereas in animals, you can see wolf can run very fast and they don't get tired very soon. Whereas we human beings, if we go half kilometer or 1 kilometer, we'll start doing like dog. We'll do like this. Okay, wolves, they can run so many kilometers. They can run fast, but they don't get tired very soon. Okay. So they can outrun anything that might be trying to chase them. So if the other animal is attacking wolf, what they can do is they can run so fast that the animals which is chasing them cannot chase them very easily. Means the animal which, if take tiger or lion or something, if lion is chasing the wolf, lion might get tired, whereas wolf, no, they won't get tired very easily. They run very fast. So, from this, what is the one advantage? Is that they cannot, what? Other animal cannot eat wolf. Right? Other animal cannot catch wolf. Wolves live in groups called packs. A pack is a family of 7 to 8 wolves with a mom, dad and children. Wolves mainly live in pack. So what is pack? Groups, live in groups. Wolves mainly 1, 2, 3 will not be there. They will be in groups. That is called as, groups are called as packs. Groups are called as packs. A pack of family of 7 to 8 wolves with a mom, dad and children. So how many there? A group means a group contains how many wolves there? Nearly 7 to 8. That is including whom? Mom, dad and children. So all these are there in a group. Mom, dad and children together known as group, a pack. So how many wolves will be there in a group? Nearly 7 to 8. So how many? Nearly 7 to 8. A wolf's sense of smell is 100 times stronger than a human's. Even this dog also, it will do like this and it finds out the smell, right? Even the wolf is, a sense of smell is 100 times stronger than human being. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗಿಂತ 100 ಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Got it? When a pack of wolves howls, it can be heard from every far away. See, at a time, if the dog, when we are going in a street at midnight, what will happen? ದೆವ್ವದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಾಯಿಗಳ ಕಾಟ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You know, when we walk alone in a street at midnight, you can see attacking dogs that will be attacking us. It will start bow, bow, bow together, right? Even here, a group of wolves starts howl ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? This is how the wolves make the sound, right? If they start doing this sound like that, okay, if it is very far also, you can hear them, okay? So that much of power wolves will be having. In some areas, grey wolves are classified as endangered. In some areas, in some places, grey wolves, which covered with fully grey, are endangered. Andre, that will not harm us. Which will not harm us. So, which type should be the wolves which doesn't harm us? That should be in grey color. It should be whole grey. ಅಂತಹ ಗ್ರೇ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ wolves ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅವು ಮನುಷ್ಯರನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, that doesn't harm. They are called as endangered. The wolf has been included in several stories and has most often been shown as a bad character. See, wolf ಅಂದಕ್ಷಣ it is included in so many stories, right? See, stories means, how, dear students? Stories means you will be reading the stories. ಯಾವ ತರ? ಒಂದು ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗುಳ್ಳೆ ನರಿ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ನರಿ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ. ಆ ನರಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕತೆ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ. You all have heard the story of donkey and fox, right? So what it is? In all these stories, the wolves are mainly noted as bad wolves antane. Okay, we will tell them as bad animal. Most of all the stories you can see, the wolves are said that as bad animals. Okay, and hence the term big bad wolf. Hence it is why the topic is the big bad wolf. So how It is how the topic, the name has come, the big bad wolf. They will be so long also. Very good in condition. Their teeth will be so long. Okay. And by this, we are going to end our topic, the big bad wolf. Okay. So you all have come to know. Okay. So about the wolf. I see, dear students, you all have to read the topic. Okay, read the topic. And one thing, see, as I said now, wolf is a family of, like, it's dog family. Andre ನಾಯಿ ತರನೇ ಇದೆ. So you all have to do is write 5 animals which are similar to wolf. Write 5 animals which are similar to wolf. You can include this dog also. Okay. So you have to write 5 animals name. Well then, dear students, hope you have understood the story, the big bad wolf. Okay. How you can see them, where you all have seen them, where you can see where it is commonly found, all you have come to know. So in the next class we are going to see the next topic. Until that, take care and do the homework which I have given to you and submit it to the school. Thank you.